Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Kung bago ka lang sa channel ko, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends too. For today's video is the part 2 of our day 1 in Baler and the preliminary competition of the 12 Misters of Filipinas. Let's go! So we're done with our dinner and balik tayo dito sa hall, waiting na lang for the program to start. Good luck. And guests are coming in. We'll start in a few. The show is about to start. The judges are now being assisted to their seats. Medyo okay na yun. And the countdown begins. Start of the program.
Welcome to the preliminary competition of the 12 Misters of Filipinas, live here at the Baler Convention Center. Let us meet our host for tonight. He's an experienced event host based in Maria Aurora, known for hosting weddings, birthdays, and listen. He also provides voiceover services for radio content and recorded materials. In addition to his work in events and voiceover, he serves as a committed member of the Bureau of Geomanagement and Technology in Region 3, balancing public service with his passion for communication and entertainment. Let's give it up for Ralph Vincent E. Agustin. Judge is a proud beauty queen and student leader. Our next host is a proud beauty queen and student leader whose grace, eloquence, and intellect continue to inspire. She is a second-year Dean's Wizard, taking up political science at Aurora State College of Technology, where she serves as Executive Secretary of the Supreme College Student Council, joining the Learners Convergence Philippines 2023 and coming to the Regional Schools Press Conference representing Aurora, and a volunteer at Sikat Aurora. She's a true advocate for youth empowerment and academic excellence. In the realm of pageantry, she has brought pride to her community by representing San Luis in Pinipini Aurora 2025 and earning the titles of Pinipini Itumaco 2024 and Pinipini San Luis 2024. Through these platforms, she continues to advocate for education, empowerment, and meaningful change. Please welcome Miss Maria Sofia Mauro.
You are the host for tonight.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for the hard-working selection committee doing the most complex job tonight. Let's meet our judges. Sophia, starting with our judge number 1. The University of Paris International
Introduction of judges.
She's passionate advocate and super initiative, head, heart, and hands foundation. A role model and as a mental coach, she continues to inspire young women to walk with confidence and purpose. She holds several prestigious titles, including the Aurora 2024, VP of Aurora 21 runner-up, and Miss Freedom of the World Philippines 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, please all welcome Miss Perlay Macalustones.
Our next judge is a passionate youth advocate and public servant for several youth organizations that continue to empower young people today. He has represented the Philippines in various international youth forums and exchanges and is an active member of the ASEAN Young Leaders Association. He also served as the former accredited partner of Miss Universe
history as the first to reach 1 million followers in Angola province. But as yet as known, her platform is built on spreading prosperity, confidence, and creativity, empowering women to spread and love themselves. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Miss Angela G. Philippines Foundation Incorporated and Mr. of Philippines Organization. A Congress of Applause for Mr. Carlo Morris Dallek. Executive of Defense and former honorary Chairman of Investors of Filipinas. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up to Mother Jane Solomon.
And our chairperson of the Board of Judges. This judge is the owner of Massage Lip Spa, the co-presenter of the 12 Misters of Filipinas. Please give it up for Sir KTM. Tonight's competition is gonna be lit. Our dashing misters will be strutting their stuff in 3 sizzling segments: the fashion of the world outfit, modern brown, and emerald green formal outfit. Let's get going! Now that this team judges are ready, let's read them on the scoring criteria for our 25 handsome misters. Here's the lowdown.
Yes, as we read, first for the fashion of the world. Market is 30%, speech presence 30%, looks 30%, for the couple of 100%.
For modern rock, here's the criteria. Elegance and confidence is 30%, stage presence 30%, overall impression 10%, with a total of 100%.
And for the emerald green formal wear, here's the criteria. Market is 30%. Speech presence 30%, overall income 10%, and for the total of 100%.
For our fabulous candidates for the fashion of the world of the 12 Misters of Filipinas.
And of course, we have another judge. Our last judge, but definitely not the least, is the president of Prime. This judge is the owner of Massage Lasba, the co-presenter of the 12 Mr. of Filipinas. A warm round of applause to Sir J.P. Cruz.
Once again, let's get the judges.
Fashion of the world.
We begin with Mr. of Filipinas, Nueva Ecija, John Nico Calido. Filipinas, Cagayan, DJ Carlos Baculizada.
Cagayan.
Mr. South Filipinas, Los Baños, Laguna, Car Simon Tansenko.
Los Baños, Laguna.
Los Zambales, Gilbert Tamayo.
Masinlok, Zambales.
Krishna Yasser Rodriguez.
Pampanga.
Of Manila, Kent Ilustracion.
City of Manila.
Mr. South Filipinas, Bulacan Province, John H. Hipolito.
Bulacan Province.
Mr. South Filipinas, La Union Province, Adrian Carr Lumage.
La Union Province.
Bataan, Juan Carlos Lopez.
Bataan. Pangasinan.
Palayan City, Nueva Ecija. John Mark Sibayan.
Palayan City, Nueva Ecija.
Imus Cavite. Cales Peyton Esguerra.
Imus Cavite.
Puerto Princesa City, Palawan. Oliver Eugene Press.
Puerto Princesa, Palawan.
Misters of Filipinas, Cebu Province. Claude Peña.
Cebu Province.
Filipinas, Tarlac Province. Jacob Pierre Gomez.
Tarlac Province.
Christian Carlo de los Santos.
Cavite.
Quezon City. Aaron Quijano Bautista.
Quezon City.
Laguna. Giron Layo.
Laguna.
Baler, Miguel Cayabyab.
Baler.
San Fernando, La Union. John White Verdaje.
San Fernando, La Union.
Pinas, Cabral, Nueva Ecija. Cecilio Relucio.
Cabiao, Nueva Ecija.
Lipas City, Batangas. Mark Parasigan.
Lipa City, Batangas.
City of Binyan. James Vasquez.
City of Binyan.
Misters of Filipinas, Rizal Province. Mauchi Gabinete.
Rizal Province.
Filipinas, Davao City. Daniel Gana.
Davao City. This ends the second part of our day 1 in Baler and the preliminary competition of the 12th Misters of Filipinas. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends too. See you on my next vlog. Bye!